All right, what's up, guys? So, our first company here is going to be SLR Investment Corp, and their ticker is going to be SLRC. And so, for the company overview here, SLR is a yield oriented business development company, and they invest directly and indirectly in senior secured loans of private middle market companies to generate current income that would be distributed to all of their shareholders quarterly. So that would be, again, four times a year. And then in the bottom area with the screenshot there, that's a screenshot of 5 years. And, as you guys can see, obviously there's a little bit of a dip there in 2020, but for the most part, they've been pretty steady with their price. And currently, I believe they're around 1886. That's what they're trading about, with a dividend yield of 8.70%, which is very good. Um, Again, their investment strategy is going to be basically provide U.S. middle market businesses in intermediaries with bespoke debt financing solutions to fund working capital, acquisition, refinancing, and growth capital requirements. And some of the things that I like that they do here is they show their different investment strategies. And so, one, sponsor finance; two, credit solutions; three, equipment finance; four, lender finance; five, life science finance; and six, corporate leasing. Now, obviously, it's not just 10% in each of them or whatnot. They have their own specific formula as far as how much they're putting into each one of these. But I like how they show you the different segments that they're investing into. And if you guys go into their website, it will give you a little bit more background on each of these different things so that you guys can look up and see a little bit more into what they do mean. For instance, if you guys do hover over the life science finance, it says that senior secured facilities to later stage drug, device, diagnostic, and healthcare IT development companies. So again, that's just another thing to help you guys out with. The next slide here, dividend history. So as we can see, they've been pretty solid at giving out a constant dividend over the past like 10 years quarterly, and they've been right around that 8.7% mark for a while now, which is pretty good. And as we can see here, that was, I think they calculated to about 41 cents a share, each quarter, which again, you're not going to get rich quick off of that, but that's just money coming back to you guys and that you can ultimately reinvest and obtain more shares in SLRC. And for my final rating here on this company, obviously it's not going to be a company that's going to skyrocket and be worth, $500 a share, but it's going to be something that it looks like they've stayed pretty steady and pretty consistent over the years, and they do offer a very good and reliable dividend that they've been paying out quarterly now. So again, that would mean four times a year they're declaring a dividend and then paying it out to all of their shareholders. So for my personal rating, I would probably give this a 6 to a 6.5 out of 10. And I'd say it's something that obviously do your own research beforehand. But again, it's one of those things where they do have a pretty diverse portfolio. And I like how they're more of like a financing company to different things, so they're going to have that generated income coming back into them.